How to cancel Best Buy membership. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. First of all, you have to find your original receipt and protection plan contract documents, and after finding the original receipt, you have to call in the number in the receipt. This number is used by the Best Buy customer care service. Now, tell the person on the line that you want to cancel your membership, and then you have to ask the staff member to determine your prorated refund amount. Once done, you have to confirm that your plan is cancelled. You can also cancel your membership by sending them an email. So go ahead and draft an email briefly. Your email should clearly describe your wish to cancel your membership. Lastly, you can visit the customer service desk at your selected Best Buy store and ask the customer service representative to cancel your membership. So, this is how you can cancel Best Buy membership. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.